And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test. I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what got.
Guys, good morning. What's up? Welcome to my channel, Art of CP. Guys, meron tayong ride. Ang tawag sa ating ride ngayon, Desert Ride 50K. Kasama ko si Cap Robert, si Sydney. Location natin ngayon dito sa Marina. At ito yung mga view nito. Kita nyo, napakaganda. Yan, tayo ni Cap Robert. At doon ang starting point namin sa creek. Doon kami magsimula mag-ride. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang view doon at ang view sa deserto, sa Alcodra. Guys, we pray for successful ride. Tara na, let's go!
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happened.
Guys, yung galing natin doon, 64 kilometers papuntang Creek, Alcodra. So guys, meron pa tayong 54 kilometers para makarating doon sa Alcodra.
That I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me.
A few moments later.
Guys, what's up? Guys, dito na tayo sa starting point natin dito sa Creek, Alcodra. Ngayon guys, share ko sa inyo yung view. Ito yun. Gusto ko palang i-shout out si Cap Roger, Cap Rupo, Cap Nat, si Tangkad, at sa lahat ng siklista, shout out. Mag-start na tayo. Ready ng lahat, yung bike, ready. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang view, yung 50 kilometers, yung loop na goal natin na marating. Rock and roll, let's go! Layo na ni Cap Robert. Hindi kaya ng kahoy? Oo. Talagsaon rin lang kahoy rin. Mudagan kag 40-45 mamintuni mo. Di na ka basta-basta na.
Inspired by thirst, inspired by worth. Desire your worst, you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Guys, what's up? Yun guys, desert ride, 50 kilometers. Share ko sa inyo guys ang view.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface of all top. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you life. There's something that'll have what you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
Dito tayo dumaan sa area.
Dito tayo. I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Ito yung Shade 7. Guys, what's up? Naka 20 kilometers na kami. At dito nag-stop over kami sa Shade 7. Yeah guys, so yung location natin guys, dito tayo sa Shade 7. Dito tayo ngayon, no? Ito yung view natin. Meron din nag-stop over dito. Ang view. Ito yung mga bike namin, nagpahinga din. Guys, dito tayo sa gitna ng disyerto sa Alcudra. Ang goal natin guys, yung matapos natin ang 50 kilometers dito sa loop, yung ruta natin. Ayun, tapos na yung stopover natin. Tapos na yung pahinga. What's up, Sydney? Cap Robert. Dito lang sa gitna ng disyerto. Shout out, Panid Bikers. Naghanap ng sakit na katawan.
Pwede namang matulog.
Iga-iga.
Pag-uwi mamaya, iswak.
Laking tulong to sa katawan natin. Ahon na kab. Ahon.
No! God, please, no!
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Konti na lang kap, no? Wala na lang 20, no?
I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Joke is overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older. Crack the hole or two. Heating up inside of me.
Kita naman yung tower, oh.
Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back.
Guys, pahinga muna tayo. Stopover dito sa Moss.
20 minutes later.
What's up? What's up? I love to be here. Pwede na lang, Kap.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt.
One eternity later.
Dito na kami sa trick, nakabalik na. Yun. So guys, tapos sa ride, charging to. Pa-power.
Minutes later.
Guys, thanks God. Successful yung ride natin. Natapos natin yung 50 kilometers sa loob. Guys, enjoy yung ride. Nakapahinga na din kami. Guys, ang bike natin ready na pauwi papuntang Marina. Guys, maraming salamat sa iyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta. Kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share at comment down below. Don't forget also to hit the notification button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Guys, abangan na sunod yung mga adventure at sa mga ride namin. Guys, hanggang sa muli. See you next time for more videos. Bye-bye!